要做多长时间
12个小时啊，蒸啊。
哦，好长时间。哇，你真的厉害。How far back? That was a lot louder than I was expecting.
Yeah, my drum.
Another Chinese festival is arriving. This time, it's the Spring Festival. As a foreigner who loves traditional Chinese culture, myself, my family, and friends are so excited, and we are just licking our chops, waiting to celebrate this very special time. So how does a city like Zhongshan in southern China celebrate Spring Festival? Well, I've been invited by the villagers of Chaobian village to find out. So let's go take a look. Chaobian village has a history of nearly 1,000 years. Here we can find many Lingnan-style old homes and fortress towers built during the Ming and Qing dynasties, and the overseas Chinese houses built during the period of the Republic of China. All of these present a unique scenery and an antique flavor. During the Spring Festival, the people in the Chaobian village will cook all sorts of wonderful foods, from jiandui, which is a deep-fried sesame rice ball, to chagua, which is a famous local dessert, to rice cakes. We just made some jiandui with Sister Xia, and we'll take a look at how she deep-fries it. But the reason why people in Zhongshan make jiandui is because of its meaning. It means jiandui rolling, fortune coming. And it's this auspicious meaning that makes it good for using when you are giving New Year's gifts, when you visit friends and family, or when you are praying and offering blessings. Awesome. We've got our jiandui.
谢谢。
Man, it's so good. The outside is nice and crispy. The inside is super sweet and super chewy. It has a really, really nice texture. Rice cake is a must for Zhongshan people during the Spring Festival. 76-year-old Aunt Fen makes rice cakes by herself every year. The cooking will last 10 hours from about 3 a.m. the previous day until 4 p.m. the next day. For the people in Zhongshan, the rice cake implies good intentions of ascension in professional life. It not only has a meaning of making money, ascension and happiness, but also shows people's yearning for a prosperous and sweet life in the coming new year. The villager Ahua is going to teach us how to make some chagua today. For many traditional villages in Zhongshan, chagua is a must-have for the festival. People will make them ahead of time and then give them to friends and family as gifts. Chaobian braised goose is also a delicacy from the Chaobian village during the Spring Festival. So lu means to roll around, and the goose is rolled around in the stir-fry pot. And it's cooked with soy sauce and cooking wine. And the men in the village will wake up early in the morning and start preparing a big pot to braise the goose in. And they keep it rolling and rolling in this pot until it is golden and done being cooked. So before we eat dinner, we have one more tradition. We have to set off the firecrackers. How far back? We've got so many traditional foods. We have some rice cake, chagua, chaobian braised goose. We've got some jiandui, wow, braised beef brisket, sliced pork. We've got some vegetables and of course some jiao zai. Wow, this all looks great. Thank you guys. Let's raise our glasses and wish each other Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 新年快乐. Every Chinese New Year will also write some Spring Festival couplets with our wishings and blessings for our friends and families on them.